Hi everyone, welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Mex. Is your Samsung phone struggling with slow Wi-Fi or constant connection drops? It's frustrating when other devices work perfectly, but your Samsung Galaxy feels sluggish or keeps disconnecting. The problem usually isn't your router, it's the Wi-Fi firmware on your phone that needs a refresh. In this video, I'll show you how to perform a deep refresh on your Samsung Wi-Fi system using a secret system code. Support this channel by clicking like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Step 1. Unlock system access. On newer Android versions, there's a security feature that might block secret codes. Go to your settings, choose Security and Privacy, and look for Auto Blocker. Turn this off temporarily so the system dialer can work. Don't worry, we'll turn it back on later. Step 2. Use the secret firmware code. Open your phone app and dial the code *2663#. You will automatically enter the firmware version menu. This is a powerful area that controls all wireless modules on your device. Step 3. Perform the Wi-Fi refresh. Look for the button labeled Refresh Wi-Fi version. Once you tap it, your Samsung phone will automatically restart. This is completely normal. The system is reinstalling the Wi-Fi drivers to make them fresh and optimal again. Final step. Verification. Once your phone reboots, reconnect to your Wi-Fi. You'll notice the difference immediately, a much more stable connection and no more drops. Don't forget to go back and re-enable Auto Blocker in the security menu to keep your device protected. I'm Mex. Thanks for watching this Mexmew tutorial. Did this fix your Wi-Fi speed? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.